Welcome to today's video. Trying something old and making it new. I started this channel in April last year with the idea of doing vlogs on top of all the things that you've seen, and I just love doing vlogs. I love it. It makes me record, it makes me notice, it makes me enjoy the life that is around me at all times. It kind of helps me to focus at specific time around specific subjects. So it's not for the end result, it's more for the journey. So I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, see you at the end.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Wow, I just completed my Reiki class. It was the last day. I just filmed the last one, and I did it. I did it, like 40 lessons within one course. Back to back, recorded, edited. I mean, wow. I'm just proud. I don't really get to reflect on things, and I just think about the next thing I have to do. But I just did that, and it's been in my mind for months, and it's been that dream, that vision that I kept having. And not only I have built my membership, the school membership, with all of it regrouped in one place, but I'm actively like making it better and reflecting of my research and my values and my training, my teaching through, me and my guides and my higher self. And I'm just happy. I want to remember that. I really love teaching. I love communicating. I love sharing, and I'm very glad for this journey. I did not expect it. That was never part of my plans, and I just love how we can think of manifesting things, or like our biggest dream, and then we're served with better. It's like we're being pushed and tugged and pulled, and we have conflicts, and we have a lot of obstacles, all in order to end up somewhere that you didn't plan on being a part of, that you didn't plan on walking. And it's good. It feels good. Like, that's my thing these days. It's like, am I being fulfilled? Do I feel fulfilled? Because I can always do produce, create, release, edit, publish, and And it's cool to have success and to have a lot of people, and it's nice in a way, but is it fulfilling? And right now I feel very fulfilled by the school. I'm very proud of the foundations of it, and what's there, like I have a year worth of workshops and this new class and all those healing programs and all the ideas that are going to be on top of it. And it's very niche, it's like learning, it's like subtle energy literacy. It's like literacy about what's happening with your energy body and what's there, and it's not just the chakras, and it's so much more. And what I love is that it's not just words, it's very much into like the experience of it. I'm gonna say something, and then I'm gonna share something, and then we're just gonna go dive into it. We're just gonna go dive into it. I love that. I wish that you all have this sense of fulfillment with what you're doing right now, and no matter what it looks like, or that this can be a reminder of asking yourself, are you feeling fulfilled? And it's not easy, like my situation is not easy, and here we are. Oh, okay, well now I'm going to read a book and have fun with that. Like, I'm gonna read a book that has nothing to do with work. Just enjoy it, and yeah, bye. right now my skin is like comfortably cold and my hand warms it up. Yes. So right now I'm dealing with time and with the realization, and that's very sudden return, which will be a video in the future, but that's an astrological transit that happens around 29 every 29 years, and that's where I'm at right now. And it's been a journey that I've been on for many months now, and I realized I don't really remember my life. I was trying to consider like the life I had last year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, and what was in that life. And yeah, my memory is not that great. I remember things because of the photos that I created, because of the atmospheres of those photos. And I'm a photographer. That's what I studied at uni, and as well as journalism. And I was a freelance photographer for many years. That was my career. And then I jumped, and now anyway. I realize that I don't really remember, and I want to. So I'm creating those capsules, and there's the personal ones that are mine, and then there's the ones that I'm sharing here. And it's the act of creation, it's the act of keeping up with time, and there's a beauty within the video where you're not just creating a static image, you're actually moving or letting the world move around, and you're counting seconds and minutes, and you are dealing with a lot of things. I'm learning so much, I'm learning how to color grade, I'm learning so many things that are a very different set of skills when you're a photographer, and just like with that moving image, the moving light, it's very different with videos, and I love that challenge. I just love the technical challenge. So I'm having fun taking those videos with my phone, recording with that tiny mic, with my other camera that is the one I'm using right now, and I edit on my iPad. I just love that. I just love being a portable moving agent and creating my own little stories. So if you enjoyed this vlog, please let me know in the comments so that at least I know and I create the next ones, which I'll do. I'm excited about that. And yeah, thank you for being here.